Here we have our 2018 TIMPTE triaxle grain trailer. Used number is 28387. This is a 50-foot long trailer with 72-inch sides and 96-inch wide body. This is a silver metallic trailer. There are no dings or dents or scrapes on the sidewalls. It's pretty straightforward that way. This trailer has the aluminum enclosure behind the upper coupler, which keeps all the crud from getting above the coupler itself. This trailer has our intermediate hoppers, which are 26 inches wide by 36 inches long with about 18.5 inches of ground clearance. It also has the easy flow hydraulic trap system, making unloading the traps, moving the traps easy. Here is probably the only ugly part on the trailer. It's a little bit of corrosion from our hurricane straps, but otherwise the trailer doesn't have any marks on the sidewalls. This trailer has 10 aluminum 22.5 wheels and has 50 to 60% tread left on the caps, with 35-40% brakes on one axle. It's got a new brake system on one axle, and it's got good tires all the way around. Here's a view of the rear with the Thunder 6000 electric TARP system. Here's a view of the back brakes on the rear axle. Here is our curbside sidewall. As mentioned earlier, you notice that there are no dings or dents, no scrapes on the sidewall. Again, this is our 2018 TIMPTE used trailer number N28387 in Sioux City, Iowa.